Alright guys, I'm going to be going over the Pro Ice Fishing Box from Mystery Tackle Box. This is their first year they have had this. And when you open it up, you get the packet with all the information and all the prices of the items on the back. You get the sticker that you get in every box. And then the first bait we have here, it looks like some red spikes, plastics. Yeah, Eagle One Bait Company Maggot Grub is listed as $2. You can see here, these look like wax worms, but red plastics. Got some more panfish plastics. Called Best Panfish Knocker Tails for $2.99. Got this jig right here. Pretty big jig. It says it's for panfish, but it's awful big. It is the Sitka Glowing Ice Spoon, which is listed as $1.99. Got another one just like it, but a yellow. And I don't know what this one's listed as. Best Panfish Fin Jig, $2.99, so it's the same company as these soft plastics. So you can see there. Next bait, we got a green spoon by Castmaster, 1/8 ounce, listed at $4.49. Got these glowing moon jigs, pretty little, would be good for panfish at night probably. They're listed as at $2.99. Got this big Lucker Hunt Magic Bean. The big gold piece right there. Red trebles. It's not terribly big, but for ice fishing I feel like it's pretty big. It's listed at $4.99. Another Lunker Hunt Hatch Natural. It's listed as $6.99. And then we have a Vex Spin with like Chinese writing or something on it. I don't know. It says 1/4 ounce. It's listed as $10. Get a better look at it. Just like that Lunker Hunt one, but a little bit different colorway. And it's a little bit bigger of this one. And then the last thing in here, so Lip Rippers Z Spoon, listed as $4.50. It says trout on there, but you can use this for a lot of things. It's pretty useful for like walleye and bass and stuff. Better look at the packet here. Let's see. There's the front side. You open it up. Early ice fishing, panfish tips, Carl's on building and entourage. People to be extra nice to. It's got a list of people on there. Did you know? There's a contest. That's about it for that. Here's another piece of paper that came out of it. It says know your line. It has all the different types of lines on there for ice fishing. It's got a crossword on the back. YouTuber to watch. And yeah, I think that's opens up. It says why are bananas bad luck. Bunch of extra fun stuff. And that will include this month's Mystery Tackle Box. This is the December's box. Hope you guys enjoyed.